Hey everyone, welcome back to Winter's Model Farms. Today we're going to be looking at this Farm Show 2017 Case IH 175 Anniversary Combine. This is the Farm Show, which most of the time means a little more detailed than the standard toys that aren't Farm Show. But this does have this nice 12-foot folding corn head, which I believe is the first one that Ertl made for the Case combines. You also get this 45-foot draper head, which Ertl does throw on a few other toys. What I'd like to talk about next is this does not have any actual model number on it, so it's really could be anything you want for obviously 2017 combine. So that would be the 140 or the 240 series. But I mean, if you're running 45-foot draper header, I would say it's definitely class 8 or 9 combine. But very nice detailed in my opinion. Let's look at the cab first. You do have nice mirrors coming off of these, and with the flashing lights and just regular work lights, you do have these nice lights right here on both sides working. Ladder quality is very nice. You do have black plus silver, so that's nice, and then nice rails on both sides. In the cab, you do steering wheel is just the regular old circle steering wheel, but you do have a leather package in there, so that's cool. This is a tracked one. This is a track combine, and the tracks I believe are very nice quality. Pretty nice. Then back rim and tires, pretty standard. It's not too big like some of the Ertl back tires on combines. This does have this folding auger here, and that is very big because you gotta go out there when you're running a 45-foot draper header. You kind of need that so you can get to the grain cart or semi. While we're back here, let's look at this exhaust quality. It's very nice. And then you got all these railings back here. You also got another flashing light. You have the steps painted up, and then the railing folded down back up in here. One other thing while we're on this side, since you don't have the auger or anything over here, you can see this is the 175 actual package. It doesn't look like that on other Case combines, so you see that. But overall, pretty good toy in my opinion. But let's look at the box real quick that it came in. So it is the Farm Show box. So this is actually the top of the box, which I find very cool, because you have up here in the corner Case IH axle flow. So that is what they are. The combines are that they're celebrating. Those haven't been going on for 175 years. It's just the 175 anniversary of Case IH, but still they're kind of commemorating kind of back to the old international combines in this corner over here and up here. But then you also got some of the newer combines, so that is nice. Then on the sides, got rotary leadership axle flow. You got the picture of the toy here. Very nice. That in 2017 Farm Show, of course, and that's on both sides for that. But then on this side, you kind of get a X-ray kind of into the combine here. It's actually a 7140 is what they're showing on this side. So maybe that's what they intended, but I don't think that's actually the case. Then you do get a night picture there with the lights going, cutting some wheat or beans, something I can't exactly tell. And on this side, another different picture of a different combine, kind of x-rayed there. And then some in-cab picture, and then an old International. So pretty nice. All in all, this is a very good toy. I do like it. It is a farm show, but it is Ertl, so you can find it for good prices. I believe we got this one at a dealership, so that's really where you get the best prices on toys. If you want to go ahead and subscribe, that'd be greatly appreciated. Or check out some of our other videos, and please hit that thumbs up so we know you liked it. Thanks.